All right, man. We're going to Blackhawk right now to test, see who is the top shot right now, and we're going to be using all different calibers, 22 to 9. All right, we'll see you in there. All right, Avery. The bottom blue.
Chết rung mày rung tua đấy.
Top green.
You gotta lube up that gun, dude.
Shoot the red, the green on top. Green on top, yep. That way we know. Go ahead. You hit it high. Hit lower. Hit lower. Aim lower, man. I don't see where you're at. I don't see it at all. Where are you aiming?
Yeah, it's missing this.
Now shoot my 40. Put that down. Fill my 40. Shoot that one.
Okay. We're just saying that I wasn't sure where his irons are at there fresh on, so. Trust off. Push it out to 15 at least.
Okay. Aim at the green, the blue on the bottom. The very bottom.
He's pulling up like in the middle road target. Yeah, I got you.
A little higher. Okay, good.
Dude, this gun, you gotta pull the trigger in pretty deep, though.
Yeah.
Trigger's pretty heavy. Compared to yours?
Yeah.
Okay.